Oh my goodness, this is way too much. Hi, good morning. So today I decided I'm going to clean out everything in my entire apartment. I know a lot of people comment, oh, your apartment is so nice and clean. I mean, yes, but that's because everything is in there. I really need to clean out my closets and my fridge and my cupboards and just all the things that have been storing inside for so long that just need to come out. Am I talking about my emotions or am I talking about cleaning? First, let's start off by cleaning myself. I need to take a shower. The lighting in here is not the best. Usually, I'll use Kirkland's moisture shampoo because it's the professional salon formula, sulfate-free, vegan, paraben-free, gluten-free. So it just makes me know that I'm not putting weird stuff in my hair. The conditioner I usually use is the Oribe conditioner, but it is so expensive and I'm almost out. So then I'll use this Arbonne True Hair Daily Conditioner instead because it's more cost efficient and it makes my hair so soft that I don't really brush my hair anymore. Okay, let's go shower. Hi, okay, so now I am all clean and I'm ready to clean my room completely. And so in order to do that, I need to go grab a few things to make this happen. Sometimes I forget my grocery bag, so I collect them all in here. I need 2 of these to clean. So one is going to be for trash, things that I don't need anymore, haven't seen it in years, don't really care. Other half is going to be things I'm going to donate because donating is good and it's much more sustainable for our environment to donate than to just toss it into the landfill. So here's how I'm going to do things. I'm going to do a quick scan of all of the clothes that I have and I'm just going to see, you know, what are some clothes that I haven't worn in 2019 that I probably will not wear if I haven't worn it at this point. I never look up there because it's not as convenient, so I really need to figure that out. My apartment definitely has a lot of closet space, but there's just some items that I never even look at anymore. It's just been in there for quite some time. So it's time for me to organize my life because 2020 is coming and we want to start with a fresh closet, fresh room, apartment, everything. I mean, it's an organized mess, at least. Okay, so first I'm gonna organize my shorts, and then my Lululemon leggings, and then my Aloe yoga leggings, and then everything in between. So in the process, I decided to make my bed, but for hoodies, you want to start off by creating a line in the middle, and then you take this half and you fold it in. Take this part, fold it back, fold it down here, and then we just roll it. These are where I keep all of my pajamas, but I really only wear like 3 of them all the time, and then everything else just kind of sits there. So it's really time for me to let it go. This is never ending. I cannot believe I am letting my room be this messy right now, but I figured it's the best way for me to kind of clean up everything that I have. So I really need to look through every article of clothing and figure out if I want to keep it, donate it, or that's about it. Keep, donate, keep. Now that I have folded everything, I have everything I'm donating right over here. I'm not sure how much of it was actually me, wanting to donate versus I just don't want to fold anymore. But we're done. Now it's time to organize everything. Ew. Imagine if my closet just looked like this. I was going to color coordinate, but when I put everything away after I wear it, it's really hard for me to figure out, I'm gonna put it back in this exact spot. So as long as it's nice and neat, that's okay. Okay, so my shorts are there, my work pants are there, my nice comfy athleisure wear is over here, my sweaters are here, and my shirts are nice and neatly right over here. Oh my goodness, where did this pile come from? Okay, round 2. So this is everything I'm donating, and then there's not much in my trash bag because I am now going to go to my bathroom. And in my bathroom, I'm going to take away any products that are toxic that I have not used in quite some time. And I highly suggest that you do that too, because makeup products and all of that, they do expire. So try to get rid of the things that have been around for a little too long. I also washed all of my pillowcases, and I just washed all of these towels. Fresh towels are one of my favorite things because they just feel so good, and after I shower, I just want to wrap myself in a towel. Okay, now on to cleaning the rest of my apartment. Come with me to the kitchen as I do the same thing in my kitchen as well. I really don't have that much food. This is kimchi from I don't know how long, so you go in the trash. These blueberries have been here for a while. Now my room is all clean and there's no trash in sight. Thank you so much for joining me on my decluttering and cleaning routine as I just decided to, get rid of everything. If you like what you see, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you later. Bye!